Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Students, today we will discuss the statement questions of chapter 4. So let's start from the question number 1. Calculate the sum of 4 1 by 9 and 3 2 by 9 and then subtract 42 by 9 from the result. Okay, students, first of all the question is saying calculate the sum. Sum means we have to do plus of 4 1 by 9 and 3 2 by 9. So first of all we will find out the sum of 4 1 by 9 and 3 2 by 9. Students, see here, these fractions are in mixed fraction. So first of all, we will convert them into improper fraction. And for that purpose, we have to multiply denominator with whole part and the answer is added to the numerator. So 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 1, 37. And at last, students, denominator remains same in the same way. 9 3s are 27 and 27 plus 2 is 29. Denominator is 9. So we will also put here denominator as 9. Now students, we can see denominators are same. If denominators are same, so we can add the numerators directly. 37 plus 29 and denominator is 9 only. Yes students, after adding what we will get? We will get 66 divided by 9. Yes, this is the answer which we get after doing sum of 4 1 by 9 and 3 2 by 9. Now students, further question is saying subtract. Subtract means minus. Now we have to do minus 42 by 9 from the result. Students, what is the meaning of from? From means that the second number about which the question is talking. Yes, question is talking about the result and the result is 66 by 9. From means the second number will become the first number and this first number will become the second number. And at last we have to subtract. So now let's do the subtraction. Yes students, now have you observed that the result, that is 66 by 9 I have written first and 42 by 9 I have written at second place, because from says that second value, that is result, will become the first value and first value will become the second value. Now students, we will subtract it. As we can see that the denominators are same, so we can subtract the numerators directly. So when we will subtract the numerators, what result we will get? We will get 24 and denominator is same, that is 9. Students, we should convert our answer always in standard form. So there are two steps which we have to follow to convert into standard form. First one is we have to find out the HCF. Students, when you will find out the HCF, you will find the answer is 3. Second step is we have to divide the HCF with numerator and with denominator. So students, when you will divide 24 by 3, what answer will get? 8. 3 8s are 24. And when we will divide 9 by 3, what we will get? 3. 3 3s are 9. Now this question is our in standard form. So we can say that our exact answer is 8 by 3. Clear students? Now students, we will discuss next question. Tom has a rope of length 3 by 4 meter. So we can say that students, total length of rope is 3 by 4 meter. Now the question is saying he cuts off 1/3 from it. 1/3, how we used to write 1/3 student? As 1 by 3. So length of rope cut I will write as 1 by 3 meter. Now students, question is asking what is the length of rope left? Let us suppose one example students. Suppose I have 10 chocolates, out of which I have given 6 chocolates to my friend. So how many are left with me? 4 chocolates. Yes, when we are talking about left means how many are left. कितनी रह गई? For that we are required to subtract. So total length of rope is 3 by 4 meter. Length of rope which is cut, that is 1 by 3 meter. Now we have to find out length of rope left. So for that purpose we will subtract them. Now students, we have observed that denominators are not same, and if the denominators are not same, so we cannot subtract the numerators directly. So we have to make the denominators same. For that purpose students, we have to find a number which comes in a table of 4 and as well as in a table of 3. Or the another way is, you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. Yes students, let's find out the LCM of the denominators. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1, and at last 3 1s are 3. Now students, my LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So my LCM is 12. I have to make my denominator as 12. Now students, by which number we should multiply 4 so that it can become 12? With 3. 4 3s are 12. And this is a rule students. If we are multiplying by any number in the denominator, so with the same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So we will multiply numerator with 3. 3 3s are 9. Now students, we have made 3 by 4 as a 9 by 12. Now let's talk about 1 by 3. Students, denominator is 3. We have to make this denominator as LCM, that is 12. Now, by which number we should multiply in denominator so that it can be 12? 3 4s are 12. So we will multiply by 12. Now the rule says that if we are multiplying by 4 in the denominator, so with the same number we have to multiply in the numerator. 1 4s are 4. So we have made 1 by 3 as a 4 by 12. Now students, now observe. The denominators are same. Yes. 9 by 12 and 4 by 12. So I think this calculation is clear to you people. So we will subtract it easily. 3 by 4 we have written as 9 by 12. And 1 by 3 we have written, or we have understand that how we will written as a 4 by 12. Now students, denominators are same. So we can subtract it easily. We can subtract the numerator directly. So numerator is 9 and 4. So we will subtract them. 9 minus 4. Denominator remains same. Students, when you will subtract 4 from 9, answer will be 5 and denominator remains same. That is 12. So I can say that students, 5 by 12 is the rope or the length of rope which is left. I hope so students, these statement questions are clear to you people.